The Show Overview Map button is the third button in the NavigateLA ribbon. It toggles the Overview map, which appears at the bottom left corner of the window and allows you to view your map location relative to the larger geographic area around it. The Overview map is useful when you need to move quickly to another area of the map. In this example, the main NavigateLA map is centered at the intersection of Franklin Avenue and Vermont Avenue. At this scale, the Overview map shows a gray extent box highlighting your location between Los Feliz Boulevard to the north and Hollywood Boulevard to the south. If you need to move to either of these streets, just drag the extent box there, and the change will reflect on the main map. The Overview map reacts to changes made on the main map as you zoom in or out. If you need to move the map a few blocks up or down from your current location, you can zoom in on the main map using the click wheel until those streets become visible in the Overview map. On the other hand, if you need to move to a more distant location, you can zoom out until the area you want to move to becomes visible in the Overview map. Lastly, the Overview map puts a burden on the user to be familiar with the geography of the area they're working in. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question, or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen: eng.navsupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.